Sneezing while driving is more dangerous than texting, and here's why. A sneeze can take your eyes off the road for up to 5 seconds, enough time to cover an entire football field at highway speeds, all while you're in a temporary blackout. Imagine the chaos that could unfold in those seconds. But fear not, there's a simple trick to regain control. Press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth. This hack can help suppress an oncoming sneeze, while giving you precious seconds to safely pull over. Next time you feel that tickle, remember this life-saving tip and keep your eyes on the road. Stay safe and sneeze-free.